Summary of Mohan, the potter. Mohan, a skilled potter, lives in a small village. Known for crafting beautiful pots, he sells them in the market to support his family. One day, the king announces a competition for the best pot. Mohan decides to participate, working hard to create a unique and exquisite pot. The day of the competition, everyone admires Mohan's craftsmanship, and he wins the first prize. This recognition brings him more customers, improving his family's life. Important points. Mohan is a talented potter. He participates in a competition announced by the king. His hard work and skill earn him the first prize. Winning the competition brings more customers and better life for his family. Conclusion. Mohan, the potter, highlights the value of hard work and dedication. Mohan's talent and perseverance lead to success and a better future for his family. Subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning for more engaging summaries and educational content.